There was a time I used to look into my father's eyes. In a happy home, I was a king, I had a golden throne. Those days are gone, now the memories on the wall. I hear the songs from the places where I was born. Upon a hill across the blue lake, that's where I had my first heartbreak. I still remember how it all changed. My father said, don't you worry, child. See, heaven's got a plan for you. Don't you worry now.
Uno, dos, tres, 14. check it out, yeah. From the moment we met, I was breathless, and not asbestos breathless either. Always when you least expect it, stumbled across Rapunzel, the Libra. Couldn't leave, I had to meet to greet the girl of my dreams with a kiss on the hand. Little magnificent, missing the man, ran away like kids to a man. Shot, gorgeous, walking on water, sorta like Aaron McNaught, a little shorter. Wore a Pandora, bored if a John wasn't sure, never thought me to pull on her arm. Call her for calm, we fought, made a rock in the border of Jordan, a walk in the park. Jaws of a shark, too hard to break it off, fall apart, so I would say Rapunzel, gotta let your hair down, girl, gotta let your hair down. I'm tired of fighting, we ain't going nowhere now. Gotta let your hair down, girl, gotta let your hair down. Why we trying, we ain't going nowhere now. And even she could see her love was like a demolition derby. I was Herbie, the love bug swerving, cause I work on the road. She was like Russell the Crowe, jerk with a phone. Know that I don't wanna fight. Another night chewing off my ear like mine. Another night ruined, I knew you would do it. Scream when I'm out like you were the one. You were the one that ran away like underlaid and break it up, I come running back. Now baby, I want you back, but don't call me that. Now baby, don't call me baby. I said baby, don't call me baby. Gotta let your hair down, girl, gotta let your hair down. I'm tired of fighting, we ain't going nowhere now. Gotta let your hair down, girl, gotta let your hair down. Why we trying, we ain't going nowhere now. Don't you love me anymore? Nah, I'm just sick of you saying my friends are above you. You knew when you're with me, but you were lost in watching Sex and the City.